Colorways from Chaparral Motorsports here with 3 of the brand new gear sets from Alpinestars for 2020. In just a few minutes, Ernie's going to come out, he's going to dress up in each of these different gear sets, and we're going to give you a rundown on the features and benefits of each. Right now we're looking at the Techstar Venom gear, the Racer Graphite gear, and the Racer Supermatic gear. Also on the table here in front of us is a radar glove and a Techstar glove. Now just unboxing these and taking them out of the bag, I can say that these have really good feel on them. Alpinestars has done a great job at giving you some really good combinations of great material and great looks. Now please keep in mind that there's a full colorway for each of these different gear sets. This is just a very small sampling of 3 of what they perceive to be the most popular gear sets that we're gonna see for 2020. Now let's get Ernie dressed up so we can get you the finer details of these 3 gear sets. Now stay tuned as well. If you like what you saw today, please give it a thumbs up. If you want all of the Alpinestars gear coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. As soon as this gear is available to be able to be put out there publicly, we're gonna get an individual video for each of the different colors of each of these different gear sets. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate the fact that you did tune in today, and until next time, take care and ride safe.